are caught in a dance, you are lost in the trance of another Arabian night. Arabian nights, like Arabian days, more often than not are hotter than hot in a lot of good ways. Arabian nights, like Arabian dreams, this mystical land of magic and sand is more than it seems.